Here's how to strike through text in Gmail using the desktop version in 2026. If this helps you, make sure to subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Click Compose to write a new email, or open an existing draft or reply. Now, highlight the text you want to apply Strikethrough to. At the bottom of the email editor, click the A with the underline icon to open formatting options. Then click the Strikethrough icon. It looks like an S with a line through it. You can also use a shortcut. On Windows, press Alt plus Shift plus 5. On Mac keyboards, press Command plus Shift plus X. And that's it. Your text is now crossed out in Gmail. Subscribe for more fast Gmail tips like this.